This week, a couple days ago, there were a couple storms and tornadoes in a few places in the United States of America. And when I tuned on the news, you hear people talk about Mother Nature. What? Mother Nature. And I was like, Allahu Akbar. With whatever is happening now, the lesson of coronavirus to date right now, we have approximately 2 million cases in the world, an average of 2 million cases of people who got the coronavirus. And worldwide, we have a total of approximately, give and take here and there, 150,000 deaths. Interesting. Interesting. Journalists, scientists, people have seen this. They're living and experiencing this. But yet they will say Mother Nature. Isn't that interesting? Mother Nature. Instead of saying God, Allah, who is the creator of the creation, the Khaliq of the makhluk, the creator of the creation. Could we not, Muslims are not supposed to follow that line of misunderstanding. Because Allah is the creator of the wind and the rain and the stars and the moon and the sun and everything. We have an entire different belief that God is in control and not Mother Nature. When I listen to some of these journalists, I'm like, whose mother? Your mother? Who is the mother of nature? What are we talking about? Because a lot of them fail to believe in God. And that's why they will tell you, Mother Nature. They can't accept the fact that God is in control.